Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to 88 Mile Per Hour Adventures. My name is James, and I am down here at Johns Pass in Madeira Beach. This is my first visit since Thanksgiving. I did a video where I was kind of checking everything out, seeing what was back open, how things were looking. So I decided to come down here as I am recording this. It is March 1st, 2025. So yeah, I thought I'd come down here, check things out, and see what's open, you know, how things are looking, what's still closed, all that good stuff. So let's get into the video. All right, over here by Hubbard's side, looks like the Salty Seaman, Big Dick's Salty Seaman is open. Pretty sure that was open last time I was here. Don't remember. But it is definitely busy here today. It's weird, when I was driving down, I noticed some buildings had been completely torn down. Probably do a separate video on that, but I guess they had to completely rebuild it. Looks like English Rose Jewelry opened as well. And parking garage looks like it's pretty busy as well. I never park in there, but if you want to, there are the rates. I usually try to avoid it. It's quite narrow in there and just a pain. Calypso Breeze. And obviously Bubba Gump open. And there goes Hubbard's Dolphin Watch. Didn't know they went straight out that way. I thought they went around, but maybe they're changing it up. And there's definitely some other boats out here today. It was sunny earlier. Now it's overcast, but it's still nice. It's like 70 degrees outside, so it's definitely still a pleasant day. Just doesn't have all the bright sunshine. Well, this is one of the few beach parking that's actually still open just down the street. If you head like towards the causeway, that one is still closed, but this one's open. You can see there's some spots open, but definitely pretty busy. As I showed in my last video, you know, all the trees or brush and everything that was over there is completely gone now, so you can see straight out. But yeah, this parking is available. Like I said, it's a busy day today. I couldn't find any parking over in the village. There was probably something in the garage, but like I said, don't like to deal with that. So yeah, busy day today. So Hubbard's open for business here. Of course, they were up pretty quick after the storm, so they've been operating for a while. I remember this whole area was flooded pretty bad underneath, but looks like everything is back up and looking good. There you can see Friendly Fisherman got some specials going on right there. This was closed for a while. This is kind of the downstairs area. It's 2 level. This usually flooded even just on normal storms, let alone if there were hurricanes. But looks like it is kind of back up and running. Not super busy down here, at least right now, but maybe later on tonight. There's the Calypso Breeze. Getting ready to go out tonight. As you can see, all of Hubbard's boats are all out. And as usual, the sand has come all the way up to the dock, which is never a good thing because they used to keep a boat right here. Obviously, they need to take care of that. And again, that's kind of an ongoing thing, I think, with them. But you know, there's the Calypso Breeze waiting to go out. Well, it looks like they're getting ready to leave now. They've got the engines churning there, and you can see a whole bunch of people on the boat. It's just shy of 4:30. I don't know what time they leave, possibly 4:30 or not. One of these days I may actually check that one out. Yeah, but it's a pretty busy day here. It's, you know, this is Saturday. But yeah, I haven't seen it this busy since pre-storm. Obviously, like I said, I hadn't been here since Thanksgiving, but it's good to see that there's still, you know, everything's not quite back to normal, but it's getting there. You can see there's a lot of activity going on a little bit further down on the boardwalk. This is that outside area by Friendly Fisherman. That's open. Dolphin Quest. There's the pirate ship there. Last time I checked, that wasn't operating. I'm not sure if it is yet or not. Maybe. But yeah, definitely busy down this way. Yeah, a lot more crowded down this way. The Pirates Pub and Grub here. People chilling outside. Like I said, it's overcast, but it's pretty nice out. And got some of the jet skis going out here. Not sure if anybody's out on them. Probably though. There's a parasail boat coming in and then just a private boat over there. But yeah, a lot of activity here. Looks like most of the shops that are still in business. I know there was a couple that closed. If you saw my last video, like the Froyo place closed, and that one kind of pop culture kind of shop closed. But it looks like so far, most of the ones that are still here are kind of back up and running. Yeah, looking busy over here at Scully's again. I remember last time I was here, it was barren. So it looks like they kind of got everything up and running, at least on the second level there. And then, yeah, good crowd out here heading out for the, I guess, the water side seating. Looks like all new umbrellas and looks like all new tables, too. Well, I just saw a dolphin right by the dock there by the jet skis. Not sure which way he was going, but real close. We'll see if he pops back up or not. My guess is no, but we'll see. Don't always have to. There he is over there. I don't know if I caught that or not. He's kind of over by the where the seating area is. Hey, eat some dinner. Have a dolphin swim about 10 feet away. There he is. It's going to probably be kind of hard to see. This camera doesn't zoom well. He's just over there, just past the jet skis. But yeah, you don't really have to go on the dolphin watch to see dolphins. You can just kind of stand over here sometimes and get a pretty good view. One of these days, I'm gonna rent one of these jet skis. I've never been jet skiing in my life, and I always wanted to. So maybe one of these days, I'm gonna come out here and rent one of these guys. No idea how much it costs. Any beer, $4. Never sit on those. No shortage of ice cream and snacks at John's Pass. Or boba tea. Not that I've ever had that. Well, there is some parking down here in the private lot. Actually, plenty of parking down here. So if you don't see anything, this is just kind of straight down from the garage. But yeah, this is pretty open. It's a private lot. Like I said, I parked across the street, across Gulf. There was a good number of spots over there too. So just in the village. Everybody wants to park in the village because I think it's kind of the first thing they see. So they all go there. So that was like packed. I didn't find any spots, but there's open spots. You just got to find them. I don't know if I mentioned it yet or not, but normally, well, when I worked down here, the seafood festival was in October, usually the end around Halloween, and then they moved it to some point in January. But because of the storm, they actually postponed it. So it's actually coming up. Like I said, this is March 1st. It's at the end of the month. I think it was March 28th through the 30th. So if you're watching this before that and you want to come to the festival, it has not happened yet. Yeah, this is the bottom level of Caddy's. Still, this took a lot of damage. So there was some pretty steep damage here. So it still looks pretty bad in there. It's going to take some time to kind of fix all that up. Look like they're working on it, but as of now, still not open there. But you could see earlier they have all those seats outside by the water, so they're getting it done. Here's Wild Style swimwear and beachwear. Obviously, they're up and running. Whole bunch of bathing suits and touristy type shirts you can get in there. You've got some ones hanging around out here outside. I'm gonna head on over to the village and kind of check out what's going on over there. There is Delosa's Pizza. That was open last time I was here, and obviously still open. Can't imagine why they wouldn't be, but yep, Delosa's has been running at least since Thanksgiving time. Looks like some of these sunglass store. I don't know if they're coming back or not, but it doesn't look like anything's going on in there. Water sports stuff. If they are coming back, a lot of work to do there. That one's not going on. Then we got gourmet popcorn, Salty Sisters. Doesn't look like anything's really going on there either. Looks like the frozen custard not open either. No, they're not open. Do I have something over there that's open? Ice cream, it looks like. Actually, I don't think that's the one that's open. I think it's the tea place or whatever that is. Of course, you've got your dueling surf styles, one there and then one right down there. Looks like a good amount of activity over here. John's Pass Trading Company. Looks like they're good to go. We got some seating upstairs. Not sure if it's open or not, but we got clothing shop here to Zone. They look like they're open. Might help if I kind of pan down so you can actually see it. But they definitely look open. There is Tommy Bahama clothes. All kinds of goodies available. Hoodie sale, 2 for $70. So if you're going to be here soon, you can get 2 hoodies. Got another shop here. Where's that? Pom Poms. Fun, comfy clothing. And Fun, comfy clothing is open. Not sure if the arcade is open up there, but definitely a lot of foot traffic over here. I mean, not a ton, but definitely getting more crowded as the weeks go on, which is good news. Well, there's Cool Style, another clothing place. You're sensing a theme over here in the village. If you need to pick up any clothing, you're all set, because it seems like that's like half the shops here as I'm walking. I never really noticed it, but it's like every shop closed. Bathing suits closed. Soul and Sand. Guess what it is? Close. Here we go. There's the cigar place. Gotta mix it up a little bit. And between buying clothes, you can pick up some cigars, and I can't tell yet if they're open. Looks like something was right there that's part of the cigar place. Oh yeah, you can go right on in. That's a big area for cigars. Not gonna lie. There you go. If you didn't find any clothes down there, you can always come down here and check out some more clothes. There was a bar back there. It was open too, but the music was blaring, so I didn't film it, but open as well. Island Rags and Gifts. Open. Mad Beach Brewing Company upstairs is open. My knees are killing me, so I am not going up those stairs, but I can hear people talking, so pretty confident that it's open. Looks like the sun's trying to come out. Got over here, got the ice cream fudge. They got 2 open signs. Actually, they have a lot of open signs. 3 different open signs, neon open signs, so that's good. Here's the other one. That looks, I see the door open. That was closed last time, so it looks like that might be open as well if you want to get like milkshakes and things of that nature. You can see what I'm talking about with the fact that it's crowded here in the parking lot. Everybody kind of just decided to check out here. And of course, on the corner, gotta have clothes. That one looks like it's open as well. There's a bunch of clothes sitting outside. So yeah, I mean, it looks like most of the places so far here are open, which is definitely good news. So yeah, but I'm gonna keep heading on down there and check out the last remaining bit of the village before we head out for the day. There's the Landing Company. If you want to pick up some jewelry, they are open as well. You want to get someone something nice. Got the Overhead Surf Shop here. Looks like they are open as well. And then the Bronze Lady. More jewelry. Clothes and jewelry. That's what you can get down here if you come to John's Pass. Clothes and jewelry. And ice cream. That's the options for you. Just make a day of it. Eat some ice cream. Buy some clothes. Pick out some fancy jewelry to wear with those clothes. You're all set. There's some more clothes. Gotta have your traditional beach, wacky shirts, I guess you would say. And we got Tervis cups, plural. Souvenirs, gifts, hats, and more. Looks like that one is open as well. We got all kinds of different cups in there, I believe. And hats. Yes, they do. And now it looks like another place didn't make it here. Windworks doesn't look like they're going to be opening back up. I don't know if you can see that. That's a creepy thing sitting in here in the darkness. Look at that. Hopefully that comes through. Other than me in the reflection. There you go. Creepy. All right, making our way to the end. You know, when the music gets louder, the drinks are flowing. There's a kind of bar over here. A large seating area out here, which apparently nobody's interested in sitting at. I think that's for this here sip and scoop. Looks like maybe ice cream? Yep. It's either ice cream or froyo. Not too busy though. Everybody appears to be down here, checking out some music, enjoying an adult beverage. Good day for it. Like I said, overcast but nice. Overcast but nice. Yeah, this is definitely where everybody is. And yes, still, I know nobody likes it, but $4 an hour to pay to park. At least for the city stuff. Go to those private lots and it's, you know, could be different. All right, y'all, I am heading back to the car. So that is going to do it for another video. If you're new here, please think about hitting that like and that subscribe button. I post videos of all of my travels around Florida, Disney, cruising, all that good stuff. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. And as always, thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.